okay, we've got 4 different URLs that we can add to the end that then can go and change and do certain things. So the first one is if we then grab our link here and we then type in question mark, no redirect, and press enter, we can essentially see the site not being logged in. So this is really useful because then if you're needing to check or test any pieces of functionality, any code, etc., then this is a great way to go and do that. Obviously, you have the incognito mode that you also have up your sleeve, but this is one way. Talking of incognito mode, we then, if you want to go and view the site, but it's got a password connected to it, then here is our site, but I have to type the password in. So the alternative method is then if you do /? Password equals, and then put the password. So 123 is this current password, and then press enter, you could immediately get to the page. So this only works if it is the home page, but this is a way that you can go and use it. And then if you happen to be using other tools like markup or other things like that, where you want the user to come straight in and then not need to type the password in, then this is a great method to be able to do that. So that's number 2. The ability to extend a trial. So the trial period comes to an end, and then what you can do, this will only work if the trial has ended. And then you can just type in after /config, extend trial, press enter, and then here we go. Obviously, this says it's already in trial, but then it will say, oh, we can extend it. So that's number 3. And then the final one is then if you happen to have some code on the site and it's misbehaved, and so the site is then not working, the final one is then you can type safe mode. And then at the bottom of the site, it will say, okay, we've entered safe mode now. So then you can make sure that you can then sort anything out. It disables any code on the page. Currently, we don't have any code, which is why it's then not triggered. But if you do, then that will enable it. And then you can say, okay, now I'm going to turn it off. So we'll leave these 4 links in the bottom of the description, but those are 4 brilliant links just to have up your sleeve and be aware of.